Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Translate function in Google Sheets. So as you can see here, we have this table of common words in English, and we want to translate them into French, Spanish, and Italian. So instead of having going to and use a dictionary, we can actually use one of the powerful functions in Google Sheets, as you will see. Uh, so let's jump into it. So we start with the first one, which is French. So what we're going to do is put in equals, write in Google Translate. And if we press it, uh, then we can use the functions. So what we want to do is select the word that we want to translate, and this instance country. So we press the cell, then we see A3. So we see that the value from the cell A3 is put into this function. Then we put in a comma, and then we're gonna select the language that we are translating from. So in this instance, we were using English, and the code for this is actually EN, uh, which is the language code for English. And the third thing we're going to put in is the language code for the language that we want to translate the selected word to. So in this instance, it's French, and its language code is FR. And then when we press enter, we can see that it actually successfully translated the word into French. And if you're interested, there are some language codes that you can use and translate into other languages. And I'll put this in the description below for you to use. So to say it again, the first cell is the word that you want to translate, and the second one is the language that you're translating from, and the third one is the language that you want to translate to. And if you want to translate all of these, we can just drag this down, and it will automatically translate all the words for us. And we can see that the word that we're translating is actually the one to the left. And then we do the same with Spanish. We put in the function again, so Google Translate. And if we press it, then it automatically gives to us. And then we take the word, and then we press comma, and then we're gonna also again input the language that we're translating from. In this word, its code is EN, and remember to use the quotation marks because otherwise it won't work. Comma again, and then we put in the code for Spanish, and this one is ES, as we can see. And then when we press enter, we're gonna see it has successfully translated the English word to Spanish. And if we drag this down, it will automatically translate it again. Okay, and if we do it same thing with the Italian, press, but first we're gonna go in Google Translate, press the country, and then we're gonna also again put in the language that you're translating from. Also remember the quotation marks, and then the country code for Italian, and in this case it's IT. Remember to close the brackets, and if we see, we successfully translated the word, and we can drag this down again for a successful translation. And so yeah, there you have it. And as I said earlier, you can use all these languages to translate from and to. Just put in this one, and it will translate to the correct language for you. Okay, thank you for watching.